Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I am going to review a product which is called as Voice Brigade. And before telling you anything about this product, let me make it very clear that I am gonna earn commissions if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Okay, since I am promoting you or I am referring you to the product owner, so that's why the product creator will incentivize me with giving me certain percentage of commissions. Okay, now with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as Voice Brigade. What this product is, how it's gonna help you out in your journey of internet marketing and any other fields, and how this product is gonna means it's better than its competitors. We will discuss a lot about this product, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to this video, and kindly consider subscribing to the channel. My name is Shubhadeep. I am an affiliate marketer and a product creator at Warrior Plus. So I hope you will be interested in getting online news regarding to various softwares, regarding to various training courses which launches every single week. So I create videos of that kind in this entire channel. So kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and so that you will not miss any important software which launched, or any important training courses, or any other thing which will make your work pretty much easier. So kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so now let us start seeing what this Voice Brigade thing is. This is also kind of an amazing software which I want to show you. As you can see what it does, let us find out. Kick out expensive and money-sucking voiceover freelancers forever, and stop paying big dollars on monthly fees for apps that sound like robots. Okay, there are a lot of apps out there in the market which consumes a lot of money from your pocket to create voiceover kind of a thing. Okay, I usually use voiceover artists. They cost me huge when I create products, so I need voiceover artists, and they cost me huge in creating my sales videos or my introductory videos and that kind of a stuff. Okay, now let us see. Discover next generation artificial intelligence technology that transforms any text into human voiceovers in 40 plus languages and multiple voices within minutes. And we will discuss about the software. Definitely we will discuss, but before telling you about the software, let me also make it clear that I'm going to give you tons of bonuses from my side if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Let us have a look at what are the things that I'm going to do, what are the things that I'm going to give you. So let us see. So as you can see, this is my bonus page which is I have personally created for this Voice Brigade software, as you are seeing. And I have briefed about the Voice Brigade as well a little bit. This is the sales funnel. We will discuss about the sales funnel. Now let us see what are the things that I'm going to give you if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Okay, so there will be 3 bonuses from my side, and all of these bonuses will be customized for this particular software which is Voice Brigade. It will means compensate, or I will not say compensate, but it will support the software, and it will help and ease your journey on creating or doing affiliate marketing, internet marketing, digital marketing, or whatever thing you are doing online. It will help you out in your journey. Okay, which is why I have 3 bonuses from my side, but each bonuses will which it includes in itself a lot of bonuses. Means it is a package or a bundle of bonuses which I'm going to give you. Since I am not gonna create and show you that there are I am not gonna show you the list of bonuses which other maybe other reviewers will give. I will not create the page. My intention is to just make it very clear what are the things that I want to give you, what the things that I'm going to give you will help you out in what way. That is my intention, and my intention is not to show you that look at what and how much bonuses I'm going to give you. Okay, I hope it is clear. So let us see what are the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you buy the product from the link which is down below. This is the bonus number 1, as you are seeing right here. The bonus number 1 which I'm gonna give you, and it is completely regarding to the Voice Brigade and help you out in if you buy the product, which is Voice Brigade WooCommerce membership secrets. You are gonna see membership secrets of WooCommerce, how to use WooCommerce, then YouTube marketing, modern podcasting, how to do modern podcasting, e-commerce with WooCommerce, Facebook ad secrets, LinkedIn, gateway to success, audiobook and ebook. So if you buy the Voice Brigade thing, then you are gonna get knowledge too regarding to various other platforms as well, how the other platforms works out there, like Facebook, LinkedIn, how these platforms work, how Facebook ads works. So if you are in this online world, then you must know means a little bit of almost everything which is going on or happening out there in the world. That is why bonus number 1 is strictly how to have a knowledge on what are the things that are happening online. Okay, that was my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, as you can see, bonus number 2 right here is a drive traffic with hashtags, then automated social media robots, then how to do blogging, then stock audio tracks. There are a lot of stock audio tracks as well, which I'm going to give you. Then 8 secrets to Instagram success, then advanced WordPress, artificial intelligence and digital marketing, and article marketing. Regarding to article marketing, so there are a lot of things which I'm going to give you, which will help you out in your journey of doing business online, or if you are an entrepreneur, solopreneur, or whatever or what stage you are in, it will help you definitely in your journey of doing that particular thing online. Okay, then it is the bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you. Now bonus number 3 from my side will be completely regarding to how to make money, how to use my bonus number 1 and bonus number 2, and means how to make money through it. Okay, how to make money online. That is my complete focus on bonus number 3 which I'm going to give you, and it is very much precious and very much close to my heart, which is on this side. So the bonus number 3, as you can see, 0-hour work days, $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays. There are 9 money making courses, 9 online money making courses which you will get access to if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Okay, all you need to do is simply click on any of the links right here, click on any of these links, and you will land on this page, which is this one which I showed you previously. And from this page, if you get instant access to the Voice Brigade, then all of these bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, I hope it is clear how to avail the bonuses. I hope this is clear. Now let us see what this Voice Brigade thing is. It is pretty much simple, but still let us see how it will gonna help you out in whatever case. Okay, and also if you are in the mood of purchasing this Voice Brigade thing, then kindly apply the coupon code BRIGADE3 to get a $3 discount, $3 off on the product. Okay, so whatever the product price is, you will get $3 discount by applying the coupon code BRIGADE3. And one more thing which very much important. Okay, I will discuss something very much important at the end of this video, so kindly watch this video at the entirety, because you will see an amazing thing at the end. I will show you something really very amazing to have a look on. Okay, now people are absolutely loving this voiceover technology. Take a look at what the people says. So there are a lot of things in the sales page. I'm not interested in showing you all of those stuff. We all know voiceovers are the means of a digital business. Voiceovers are the digital business. Voiceovers are totally unavoidable. We need them to make different videos such as sales videos. A lot of my means investment on creating digital products goes on creating the sales videos. The perfect sales videos cost a lot of money from my side. And again, in the sales video, there is a huge part in the voiceover artist. Then demo videos, presentation videos like on YouTube, then training videos, and so many more purposes. There are a lot of purposes you can do and use voiceovers. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of features of this one. Introducing the voiceover, the voice brigade, transforming text to stunning speech, create not longer the 700 voice per voiceover, up to 40 human sounding voices available, both male and female voices included, works in 20 languages, alter speech speed, emphasis, say as, adjust the tone, rate, pitch, and a lot of things. You can read it very nicely if you come on this page. A feature-packed, powerful studio. Voice Brigade is perfect for whoever this is. If you fall on any of these categories, then it is very much important for you to get this product right now. Okay, explainer videos. If you are into doing explainer videos, presentations, social media videos, TV commercials, podcast, training videos, audiobooks, demo videos, or any other type of videos. If you want to create videos, then this product is very much important for you to at least try out once. There are a lot of demo voices. Not going to play everyone, but let me play this one.
Hey, my name is Nirjan and I'm one of the voices of my passion for helping others has been evident for the last 3 years. Through those experiences, I have learned to
So I guess the voice is pretty much good, right? So there are a lot of voice and demo voices as well. You can listen to any of these voices or all of these voices when you land on this page. So to land on this page, what you need to do is click the link in the description. You will land on my bonus page, which is this one. And from my bonus page, if you click on any of the yellow buttons, then you can land on this page and listen to the demo voices or read out a little bit about the voice over sales page, the voice brigade sales page as well. Okay, now the thing which I totally forgot to mention, that if you buy the product from me and if you are interested in getting these bonuses from my side, then there is one catch, and that is this timer. Okay, if you come before the timer is 0, then you will definitely get all of the bonuses which I showed you earlier. But if you come out after this timer hits 0, then it is not my responsibility to give you the bonuses. Okay, and it is not my responsibility that you will get the bonuses. It is completely your responsibility if the bonuses, either this page goes down or the bonuses will not be available. But before this timer is 0, it is completely and solely my responsibility to give you all the bonuses. Okay, so kindly come before this timer is 0. And then now let us see what are the things that this is gonna do for you, and check out some of the amazing features that the voice brigade thing has. Super simple dashboard, easy to use editor, engaging realistic human like voices. There are 40 voices. Okay, 40 realistic voiceovers, supporting 20 languages, instantly convert text into speech files, pick your pace. You can make it fast, slow, whatever you like. Easily modulate pitch for your audience, and other voice controls as like set emphasis, how you like, say set say as, set breaks for more natural talking, set paragraph breaks, set sentence breaks, whatever you like. Okay, 100% UV friendly, no quality compromises ever, and secured membership area, step-by-step video trainings. There are a lot of features. It is a lot of list. The list goes on. Fully cloud-based software updates. So they are also gonna give you software updates as well. So it is completely means I hope it is very much helpful for you right now to get all of these. Means moreover, it works flawlessly on any or all of the video editors, Camtasia and Create Video, Adobe. There are a lot of things. Also, you are having a 30-day money back guarantee, as you can see, 100% money back guarantee before 30 days. So you can try this product for 30 days, and still if you not find this this software to be helpful, then you can get a refund out of it. And regarding to my bonuses, the bonuses you can keep with you for lifetime. It is completely with you. When you buy this product, I will give you the bonuses, and then you can get the bonuses and have the bonuses with you even if you return the product. Okay, so I hope this is something you can try. If you wanna go with it, kindly click the link down below. And now let me show you what are the sales funnel kind of a thing. If you do not know what a sales funnel is, then let me tell you that you are seeing the Voice Brigade as the front end product only. After the front end product, there are a lot of other products as well, which will means what it does, it backends the product. It means supports the product, or it enhances the features of the product, okay, to some sort. As like the front end product you are seeing right here, which is called as the Voice Brigade, which is this one. It is costing you $27 with 50% commissions. Means I will get 50% if you buy the product, but if you apply the coupon code of Brigade 3, then you can get it for $24 only. Okay, and which is what I totally showed you what the product is and how it what it does. Then OTO1 means one time offer. OTO1 means one time offer 1, which is $47, and I will get 50%. So I will get 50% of anything that you purchase. And the $47, let me show you what this is. As you are seeing the Voice Brigade Pro features, you will get unlimited length of voiceovers, unlimited conversions, additional 550 plus voices in 32 languages, and so much more with Voice Brigade Pro. Okay, you can get 550 plus voices and 32 languages with Voice Brigade Pro account, which is costing you $47. Okay, and if you wanna get access to it, kindly just there will be a button. Okay, so if you click on this button, it is also having a 30-day money back guarantee. If you do not like this one, you can get a refund of this one as well. Okay, so this was the first time the OTO1 offer. Then we have the OTO2, which is $67. And let me show you what this OTO2 is, which is VoiceOver Brigade done for you marketing agency plus traffic. So kickstart your 6-figure voiceover and podcasting business in less than a minute on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and more. Okay, so generate hordes of buyer traffic, leads, and profits by upgrading to the VoiceOver done for you marketing agency plus traffic today. So they will give you marketing agency kind of a thing, which will give you lots of leads, profits, and then you will be having a lot of traffic done for you traffic. So it is completely means a thing which you can get hands-on this Voice Brigade thing. Okay, they will do everything for you, which is completely done for you, and it will cost you $67. Then you are having OTO3 one-time offer 3. All of these are one-time offers, so they will go down if you do not buy on the first place. Okay, when you buy the Voice Brigade 1, which is the front-end product, which is $27, and you will be offered to these one-time offers. If you do not buy any one of it, then it will pass out and you will not get access to it again. Now the the OTO3, let us see what this OTO3 is, which is Voice Brigade done for you content. So you can upgrade and get access to unlimited high quality content, get high ranking for your niche websites, easily generate tons of traffic, leads, and sales. So you can save hours of work, create and populate your website with high quality content, more savings, easily sell content to clients. Okay, so they will do everything for you, which is again a 30-day money back guarantee. As you can see, get a searchable database of 2,25,000 plus private label articles, 1000 plus private label ebooks. So they will create everything for you. Then generate AI copy that converts in seconds. Then big content search API integrations. Then you are having save hours of work and research, easily sell PLR material for your customers, get higher Google rankings for your website, blogs and content, create voiceovers, ebooks, articles, podcasts, never pay a single penny anymore for your content again, for any content again, and one low time price or low one time price, whatever it is. So as you can see, there are lots of things you can get at this price amount of $97, okay, which is the voiceover, I guess, done for you content. Okay, then you are having a $67 product which is OTO4. Let us see what this OTO4 is, which is a Voice Brigade video maker. Unlock the ability to create amazing HD videos with voiceovers inside your Voice Brigade dashboard within minutes and sell for maximum profit. So you can create HD videos with voiceovers through this Voice Brigade video maker. Okay, so which is video maker plus commercial rights included. You can sell out those videos for other clients, or you can create a YouTube video and publish those videos as your own. Okay, can generate highly engaging HD videos, render unlimited videos with voiceovers, get more traffic, commercial license included, sell these videos to business owners for top dollars. Okay, so I guess it is clear. You need to just upload your series of images, generate a voiceover with Voice Brigade, upload audio file in Video Creator, and step first click on create video and you are done. There are a lot of video products out there in the market which does the same thing and will cost you a lot. I hope you know already the names, so I'm not going to take the names. OTO5 is $147, and let us see what this OTO5 is. It's the reseller rights. Resell the Voice Brigade as your official reseller license holder and pocket 100% revenue. Get this amazing deal and supercharge your income with incredible reselling opportunity. So what you are getting through this reseller means you can sell this product and sell the entire funnel, means the entire series, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, everything. And if anyone buys anything, then you can get 100% on any product that you, means 100% on any product that he or she purchases. You can put everything in your pocket. You do not have to give the Voice Brigade creator anything from you, and you can sell this product as your own. Okay, which is the reseller rights, and it will cost you for $147. Okay, and finally OTO6, which is $297, which is a product which I was talking about at the earlier stage, which is this one. You are about to get an access to mega bundle deal. So this is a mega bundle deal, but you will be getting a complete package which is front end plus 3 upgrades plus reseller rights. Okay, let us see the sales the funnel again. So you are getting front end product, you are getting the OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3 and the reseller rights. Okay, everything included for a one-time price, a one-time payment, and a maximum 24-hour guaranteed support and 30-day money-back guarantee. So any query will be solved within 24 hours, which is guaranteed support, and everything you can get for a one-time price of $297, as you can see, which is the $297. But you are getting access to everything, including the reseller rights. Okay. Now let us calculate, just have a little calculation. $27 and $47, which is 60 and 21 is $71. Then $67 means $138. Then $97 means $233. Okay, $234, sorry, and the $147. So $234 and 100 is 300 and around $400. So $400 product you are getting access for a one-time price of $300. Okay, you are getting a $100 discount if you buy this OTO 5 you are getting access to everything in the funnel, and including the reseller rights for a one-time price of $300. Okay, $297. So congratulations, you are in luck. You can get everything. The pro feature, for which is of $47, the Voice Brigade 1, which is $27, Voice Brigade Pro $47, Voice Brigade Traffic Plus Agency $67, Done For You Content $97, Video Maker $67, Reseller Right, which is $147. So everything includes and goes out to be around $400, and you are getting $100 discount right now. Means when you are on this page, and for one-time price of $297 only, you can get access to everything. Done For You marketing, creating the videos, unlimited version, everything, the reseller rights, everything for a one-time price of $297. So if you're interested in this one, kindly consider grabbing the link which is down below. You will land on my bonus page. So let me again brief you about my bonuses. So my bonuses will be for you this one, all of these contents, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 content right here. Then you are getting 8 contents right here as the bonus number 2, and then you are getting 9 contents right here. Okay, so which includes to be around 24 contents from my side if you buy this product right now from the link which is down below in the description. You will land on this my bonus page. On clicking on any of these yellow buttons right here, you will land on the Voice Brigade sales page. If you buy this product, then you can get access to every single bonus from my side. Okay, it is a one-time and very important opportunity for you. If you want to buy the product, kindly grab it right now. And if you are within this time zone which I'm going to give you, which is my timer, this one, if you buy this within this one, then all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, so I guess this was clear. If you have any doubt regarding the product, kindly consider asking me in the comment section down below. I will definitely reply you. And kindly like the video, subscribe to the video channel, and press the bell icon. And I will meet you with another product on the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and bye.